I believe that the greatest gift you can give to the world is a healthy you. Everybody needs beauty as well as breath, places to play in and pray in, where nature may heal and give strength to body and soul. The first wealth is health. Health is not valued till sickness comes. Corruption is the enemy of development and of good governance. It must be good rid of. Both the government and the people at large must come together to achieve this national objective. This new PHC Wanching is constructed or funded by American India Foundation. The American India Foundation, AIF, founded in 2001, is a non-profit American organization working in India. It is one of the largest secular non-partisan American organizations supporting development work in India. AIF is committed to improving the lives of India's underprivileged with a special focus on women, children and youth. It does this through high-impact interventions in education, health and livelihoods because poverty is multidimensional. AIF's unique value proposition is its broad engagement between communities, civil society and expertise, thereby building a lasting bridge between the United States and India. Till date, AIF has impacted 6.7 million lives across 26 states of India. This new PHC Wanching is constructed or funded by American India Foundation through the initiative of our dynamic Deputy Commissioner Mon Shri, Thavaseelan K IAS, and it was inaugurated on dated 14 May 2022 by Sri Yollow Konyak, Hon'ble Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of Nagaland.
I Sri Yollow Konyak, Government of Nagaland, Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, inaugurate America-India Foundation on May 14, 2022.
Level room laboratory plus these things immunization room. These are medicines.
95 lakhs are total something like
95 lakhs.
I think